The budget MacBook that many people thought would never happen has finally arrived. Apple has officially introduced the MacBook Neo, an entry-level MacBook designed for students and first-time Mac users who want the lowest possible price without giving up the Apple experience. For months, rumors about a cheaper MacBook kept circulating across the tech industry. Many laptop manufacturers were reportedly worried that if Apple launched a truly affordable MacBook, it could seriously disrupt the entire entry-level laptop market. Now that moment has arrived. The base model of the MacBook Neo starts at $599, and with Apple's education discount, the price drops to just $499. That makes it one of the most affordable MacBooks Apple has ever released. But the surprising part isn't just the price. Even at this budget level, the MacBook Neo still features a full aluminum body. Most laptops in this price range are built with plastic, but Apple chose to maintain its premium metal design. The laptop weighs around 1.23 kilograms, which is almost identical to the weight of the MacBook Air. It also comes in 4 colors: blush, indigo, silver, and citrus. Inside, the MacBook Neo is powered by the A18 Pro chip, the same processor used in the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. Surprisingly, this chip delivers performance that is very close to the original Apple M1 in multi-core workloads, while actually beating it in single-core performance. That matters because most everyday laptop tasks rely heavily on single-core speed. So for activities like browsing, writing documents, watching videos, or attending online classes, the MacBook Neo should feel fast and responsive. However, to reach this lower price point, Apple had to remove a few premium features. The laptop comes with 8 GB of RAM and storage options starting at 256 GB, going up to 512 GB. The display is a 13-inch Liquid Retina panel with a 60 Hz refresh rate, offering solid brightness and resolution. But some features are missing. There's no MagSafe charging, no keyboard backlighting, no True Tone display, and the USB-C ports don't support Thunderbolt. These compromises are clearly intentional. Apple needs to keep the MacBook Air positioned as the more premium option, which still offers additional features and higher performance options. Even with those limitations, the MacBook Neo could still be more than powerful enough for the majority of users. Students, casual users, and first-time Mac buyers may find it to be an excellent balance between price and performance. And if this affordable MacBook becomes popular, it could push other laptop manufacturers to rethink their own entry-level devices. Because when Apple enters the budget category with a product like this, the entire industry usually has to respond.